All right, so today we are starting web enumeration module because before going forward with upload vulnerabilities module, the TryHackMe team suggests, or at least the person that created this module, suggests to complete web enumeration and what the shell, right? We have the Go Busters section, which is recommended from the from web enumeration, but it's not a long module, so we'll do it anyway. Task number 1, introduction. First, let's join the room. All right, and now for task number 1, introduction. Welcome to web enumeration. In this room, we'll be showcasing some of the most fundamental tools used in the enumeration stage of a web target. Good enumeration skills are vital in penetration testing. Like the better enumeration skills you have, the easiest will be. How else are you supposed to know what you're targeting? It is, however, rather easy to fall into rabbit holes. Yes, it's very easy to fall into rabbit holes. The tools we'll showcase will hopefully make this process easier. You'll be able to apply the knowledge gained for each tool on an instance dedicated to each tool. Prerequisites of this lab. Let's not prerequisites more modules because we want to go further. Amazing. This is another module recommended, the OpenVPN one. If you are using TryHackMe attack box or a Kali instance, other than that, all you need is a good posture and some willpower. Let's correct the posture. No, this room was written as if you were using a TryHackMe attack box. Anyway, answer the questions below, our favorite type of question. Let's get started.